Hi guys, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Adnan and Aliya. This week we've made chicken wings. It's Ramadan and we thought we'd show you something that we routinely make to open our fast. Really simple recipe, ingredients that most people are likely to have at home. So let's see how we made this recipe. Let's have a look at the ingredients. But before we go to that, guys, remember, if you enjoyed the video, like the video, share it with your family and friends, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. We've got lots of recipes that we've made previously, and we've got many more coming. There's something there for everyone, vegetarians, meat lovers. So let's get cooking. Right, time for the ingredients. We've got a kilo of chicken wings. We've got just under half a cup of oil. We've got a spice mix. Now, when we're cooking for Ramadan, we make simple recipes, quick recipes that we can open our fast with. And this is just some shop-bought tandoori mix, tandoori spice mix. You'll be able to find it at most supermarkets, certainly in the UK. And then we've got one lemon, which we're going to be squeezing the juice of. And we're also going to be using some plain flour when we come to just batter these up a bit before we fry them. So let's get cooking. Right guys, so we're going to start off by marinating the wings. We're going to add the oil. This is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Then the tandoori spice mix. This is just 1 sachet. And then the juice of 1 whole lemon. And then with wash stands, you want to get in there and mix everything together. Right guys, so we've mixed all the ingredients together, and now we're gonna leave this to marinate for an hour or so with just a bit of cling film on top, and we're gonna stick it in the fridge. So we'll see you when the wings are have been marinated. Right guys, so the chicken has been marinating, and now all we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up a wing at a time, roll it in some plain flour. This has also got some corn flour inside it, just to make the wings a bit crispier.
And black pepper.
Yeah, and some salt and black pepper. So Aliya, if you kick it off. So we're just gonna keep doing that. Right, so now we're just gonna start frying off the wings. So guys, you don't want to overcrowd the pan too much, because if you put too many wings in at one time, it's just going to drop the temperature of the oil too much. And if the temperature of your oil is too low, then what you'll find is that the wings will start to absorb oil, and so they'll be really greasy. Right guys, we're done. The wings are fried. They are super crispy and they look absolutely wonderful, and also there is a lovely aroma which I wish you could smell, but we don't have smell-o-vision. So that's the end of the recipe. I hope you're going to try this out and let us know how it goes. Comment down below once you've cooked it for yourself, and guys, like, share the video with all of your family and friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you next week.